Imagine if one of the world's greatest child psychologists, Jean Piaget, walked into modern preschool today, what do you think he would say? Would he appreciate our colorful classrooms, smart boards, and worksheets, or would he ask where the childhood is? Let's find out. Jean Piaget was not just a psychologist, he completely changed how we understand children. Before Piaget, many people believed children were simply small adults. But Piaget proved something revolutionary. Children don't think like adults. Their brain develop in stages, and every stage has its own way of learning. The most important one, the first one we can say, if we talk about preschool, children between 2 and 7 years are in what Piaget called the stage. That's pre-operational stage. Now here's the interesting part. Piaget never said this is the age to memorize more. He believed this is the age to explore, imagine, ask endless questions, pretend, build, touch, move, make mistakes because children learn by doing, not by sitting. But look around today, many preschools proudly advertise writing A to Z by age 3, reading by age 4, homework every day, English speaking from nursery. It sounds impressive, but here's a question. Are we preparing children for school or preparing them for life? Sometimes, in our race to make children academically ahead, we unknowingly push aside the very experience that build thinking. And this is exactly where physical literacy comes in. When child climbs, balances, throws, catches, run, or create imaginary games, they are not wasting time at all. They are building problem solving, decision making, confidence, body awareness, and learning to understand world through the movement. This is not separate from cognitive development. It supports it. So maybe the real question is not can you or can my 4 year old write 5 pages? Maybe it's can my or your 4 year old explore with confidence because years later children may forget the worksheet they completed, but the curiosity they develop in childhood can stay with them for life. And perhaps that's the lesson Jean Piaget wanted us to remember. We'll come back with another fact. Bye bye.